In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. So today we will solve a numerical by using the height of instrument method to find reduced levels of various points. Okay. So the numerical statement says that the following readings were taken successfully with an instrument in leveling work, and those readings are 0.32, 0.53, 0.62, 1.78, 1.91, 2.35, 1.75, 0.35, 0.69, 1.24 and 0.98 meters. Okay. Then further it says that the positions of the instrument was changed after the 3rd, 7th and 9th reading. Draw out the form of the level book and enter the above readings properly. Assume the reduced level of the first point is 81.53 meters. Calculate reduced level of all points and apply usual check or arithmetic checks. Okay. So firstly, we have to mark the positions of the instruments, which are 3rd, 7th and 9th. And from this we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 1.75. Firstly 3rd 0.62, then 7th 1.75, and then 9th one, which is 0.69. So these are the values where the instrument was changed. Okay. Now next is to draw the level book. This is how the level book looks like. Okay. I have inputted the values of backside, intermediate side and foreside. Okay. So what I have done is, first reading of the instrument is known as backside, so which is the 0.32. Then it is followed by the intermediate side. Whatever the values comes between the first reading and last reading of the instrument, those are represented as the intermediate side, and the last reading is known as foreside. Okay. So 0.62 is foreside, but as you know that question says that the 3rd and 7th and 9th position the instrument changes its position. That's why wherever the instrument changes its position, where we change the instrument's position, at that point the backside and foreside are same. That's why I have mentioned at 3.0.62 for both backside and foreside. Then again at 7.1.75 and 1.75, and at 9th point position of the instrument was changed 0.69 and 0.69 for both backside and foreside. Okay. And in remarks I have mentioned CP as a changing point for the 3, 7 and also for the 9th. CP. Okay, wait. Change point. Now in the question we have given assume the reduced level of the first point is 81.53. Okay. So firstly in remarks we will write that benchmark is given, means reference point of the known elevation is given. Okay. Benchmark is the reference point of the known elevation, which is given, which is the 81.53 meters. Okay. And now we have to find height of the instrument. The height of the instrument will be benchmark height, which is 81.53 plus backside reading, which is 0.32. When we will add it, the height of instrument will be 81.85. all right. Now how will we follow this for finding the reduced level is that we will subtract height of the instrument value from these values such as backside, intermediate side and foreside. Okay. So we will subtract backside, intermediate side from the height of the instrument. Okay. So we will start doing it with the height of instrument is 81.85 minus 0.53. We will get the value that is 81.32. Then again subtract height of instrument, which is the 81.85 from the 0.62, which will gives us 81.23. Because the instrument has changed its position, then again we will take and start from the beginning, that is the 81.85 height of the instrument. And now height of instrument, from the height of instrument we will minus it 1.78, then we will get 80.07, then 81.85 minus 1.91 we will get 79.94, then 81.85 minus 2.35 we will get 79.5, then subtract 81.85 minus 1.75 we will get 80.1, then subtract, okay, again change point, we will write again 81.85. okay, 81.85 minus 0.35 we will get 81 point, we are at the 8th location, it will be 81.5, then again 81.85 minus 0.69 gives us 81.16, then 81.85 minus 1.24 will gives us 80.61, then 81.85, again we will write at the changing point 81.85, 81.85 minus 0.98 will gives us 80.87. okay, so we have found all the reduced levels at all the points. Now the next task is that we have to find we have to apply usual checks or arithmetic checks. For that, the formula is for arithmetic checks that sum of the back side minus sum of the foreside should be equal to last reduced level minus first reduced level. okay, so we will add all the backside values that are 0.32, 0.62, 1.75, 0.69, which will give us 3.38. Same for the foreside, we will add all the values 0.62, 1.75, 0.69, 0.98. we will get the value that is 4.04, and the last reduced level is 80.87 minus the first reduced level is 81.53. so the answer is minus 0.66 is equals to minus 0.66. so that means it's correct, checked. okay, so this was about height of instrument method. Thank you and subscribe my channel.